A common allegation raised against Ahmadi Muslims is that many Muslims say that we are not Muslims. Now, I'm going to use just one hadith to prove that Ahmadi Muslims are in fact Muslims. If you have a pen, no matter how many people tell you that this pen is not a pen, it's a sharpener, it's not going to become a sharpener, it will still remain a pen. Now, let's move on to the hadith. The definition of the Muslim given by the Holy Prophet Mohammad himself is that man salla salatana wastaqbala qiblatana wa akala zabihatana fadhalika al-muslimu. That whoever does these three things is in fact a Muslim. Hazur further says, فَذَلِكَ الْمُسْلِمُ الَّذِي لَهُ زِمَّةُ اللَّهِ وَزِمَّةُ رَسُولِهِ. And then Hazur ends it with saying, فَلَا تُخْفِرُوا فِي زِمَّةِ اللَّهِ. That do not betray God by betraying those who are in His protection. So for anyone who says that Ahmadi Muslims are not Muslims, are doing two things. One, they're going against the word of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and secondly, they're betraying Allah the Almighty.